Hello, welcome to my homework. Today I will talk about the topic food. To be honest, I don't really enjoy cooking, and I find it takes a lot of time to go to the market and prepare things to cook. Additionally, I'm not good at cooking. I can cook only simple dishes and I don't like doing the dishes after eating. However, I do enjoy watching the cooking shows on TV, MasterChef for example. I have a 9 to 5 job, so I'm quite busy. I often cook for myself in the morning and have lunch in the pantry of my company. About dinner, sometimes I go to the market to buy ingredients right after I get off work and cook some special dish, or I just order food online. When I was a kid, my mother mainly did the cooking in my family, and I helped my mom with simple things like washing the vegetable or setting table. But now my mother no longer cook, so my younger sister and I often take turn to do it. Even though we don't cook every well, my family is still happy and eats all the food. I prefer eating outside to cooking at home because of many reasons. Eating out has me save a lot of time and I can try many dishes many reasons many in many restaurants. However, I find that it's important to know how to cook well because you can be sure about the quality of food compared to eating out. Home cooked food are often cheaper, cleaner, and fresh, and you can take better care of yourself and your family. So you should cook at home frequently. That's all. Thanks for listening.